I'm Lars from Airhawk and Danny Gray. Today's video is going to show you how to install your 1090 and 1092 backrest assembly on your Danny Gray solo seat. So hang on and let's go. Okay, so today we're going to show you how to remove a two-up seat on your touring bike. Pretty much goes along with every bike. The system is pretty much the same. And install a big seat, which is a solo seat, along with the T-bracket. So we're going to remove the current two-up seat. Take off the two factory nuts that are underneath the seat. Take the provided backrest T-bracket that you received with the solo seat. Put it in place on these two factory nuts. Snug up the nuts on here. And there, your T-bracket's installed. Next, you're going to take your solo seat, put it in place. Use the washer with the acorn nut. Tighten it in place, and you're done. Alright, next we're going to show you how to install the backrest. Two backrests for the big seat. You can see here is a Allen bolt that you can use to adjust the rake of the backrest so it'll move it forward or back. So when putting it into the seat, just pull back the Velcro tab. And the receiver for it is at the far front of the seat. So you'll feel it. You feel the metal hitting the metal. And it'll simply slide into place. And that's pretty much it. You can bend it over here to get to the Allen bolt to adjust the rake. Again, you have also the Allen bolts at the back here to adjust it up and down as well. So pretty simple. Works really well. And that's the backrest installation for the 1090 and the 1092.